In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or accountant, personalizing your invoices can help maintain your brand's identity and make sure your clients know exactly who they're dealing with. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, what you'll want to do is click on your organization name, which you'll find in the top left corner of your dashboard. This will open up a menu with several options related to your organization. Once you're there, you should see a tab labeled Settings, so go ahead and select that. The Settings area is where you'll manage various aspects of your Xero account, including your invoice templates. Next, you'll click on Invoice Settings. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to customize how your invoices look before they go out to your clients. Within this section, focus on locating the branding themes. Branding themes are essentially different templates you can use to format your invoices, and you may have more than one, depending on the nature of your business. Locate the branding theme that you intend to edit. Once you've found it, look for the Options button associated with that theme. Clicking on Options will reveal a list, and here you'll click on Edit. This action will bring you into the editor, where you can start tailoring the invoice to better suit your needs. In the editing mode, you have several customization options at your disposal. You can upload or change the logo displayed on the invoice and adjust its alignment to the left, right, or center, depending on your preference or your company's brand guidelines. Besides just the logo, you can also tweak the page size, margins, and address padding. These settings are crucial for ensuring that when your invoices are printed or viewed digitally, they retain a professional appearance and everything is aligned correctly. Another important customization aspect is selecting what information is shown on the invoice. Xero gives you the flexibility to display or hide items such as the tax number or any discounts. This is especially useful if you need to comply with certain regulations or simply wish to keep your invoices clean and straightforward. Further down, you have the ability to edit the Terms and Payment Advice section, which appears at the bottom of the invoice. This area is essential for specifying payment instructions and any legal terms you wish to include. Make sure that these details are clear and concise so that there is no confusion for your clients when it comes time to settle the bill. Once you've made all the necessary changes, the final step is to click Save to apply your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your invoice after saving to ensure that everything appears as you envisioned. Just like that, your invoice template in Xero is customized and ready to reflect your unique business identity.